₹10 के कर दो पूरे. बस. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you the Navratri festivities, which is like the 9-day festival dedicated to the goddesses. So I will be covering the temple places and all of those things in the upcoming days. And yes, let's do this together. Let's celebrate Navratri. Here's the morning of day 1. Okay. We'll go to the temple in the evening. So people are buying. So all these red piece of cloth is for the goddess, is for Devi. So like usually these shops are not as you know, packed with things, but because it's Navratri, it is. So all of these things are used for Devi, like dedicated to Devi. These. This is the goddess that is worshipped, Sherawali Mata. So you use coconuts and flowers and these leaves. It's pretty nice. And this is the temple that we'll visit in the evening. It's called Hanuman Temple and I love it. Also today I will be fasting, and yeah, I'll show you what I eat during the fast and stuff. I was thinking maybe I'll do 9 days, but it could be a bit much, but we'll see after day 1. Hello, this is my friend Shivani. Hi, क्या हाल है? फूल माला कितने की बेच रही है? 10 की? 20 की? लेके जाऊंगी. तेरे से लेके जाऊंगी. अच्छे फूल भी हैं. ठीक है, बाय. Hello. So it's my fast and I'm really hungry. So there's like snacking. So there's snacking available for people who are fasting.
So you can snack even if you're fasting.
So you can snack even if you are fasting. So I'm just here to buy some snacks. वहाँ है ना? ये इससे बड़ा वाला पैकेट नहीं है भैया? ये कितने का है? कम कर दिए. कितने कम कर दिए देखिए.
तो पूरा भरा हुआ था, पैक होता था.
हाँ.
बट यही है ना, दिस इज द टाइम
to make money. So on Navratri you can eat potatoes, like if you are fasting. So mom just made some potatoes. And then these are the chips that I just bought. This is also like fast special. Hello. So now we're gonna go check out the temple on day 1 of Navratri. Let's go.
बोल साचे दरबार की जय जयकारा मक्खन कमल का बोल साचे दरबार की जय.
So in here they have mentioned which day is which, like the 9 days. Let me show it to you. Actually it's in Hindi. So it's 22nd today. It's Pratham Shail Putri, Dvitiye Brahmacharini on 23rd, Tritiye Chandra Ghata Mata, Chaturthi Krishna Mandata Mata, Pancham Sakand Mata, Pashtam Katyayini Mata, Saptam Kal Ratri Mata, Ashtam Gaha Gauri Mata, Navam Siddhatri Mata. And these are the 9 days. So today it was Pratham Shail Putri. Also in these 9 days people offer different kind of offerings. For example, like they come and clean the temple and they give food to the poor, like in the name of goddess also. So yeah. Okay. Hello. क्या हाल है? फूल बेच रहे हो? अकेले अकेले फूल भी बेच रहे हो क्या? यानी कि माला ना ले तो? एक दो ये पेटल भी डाल देना. फूल नहीं, थोड़े से पेटल बस, थोड़ा सा. हाँ बस ठीक है. वीडियो बनती जाती है. हाँ फिर लेने आऊँगी. थैंक यू. ओके. अच्छा.